Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are I'm going to be showing you my Shopkins. So where are those little buggers? Oh yep. Yeah guys, so I can't really get them. Here's my reflection, but you're not seeing my face. But here's my hand. Okay, guys.
No, can't bring her school. What?
Yeah. So,
Bruno's not the cord 9, can you?
Cord 9. Her doors opens 25 after 8. That's when she goes down.
yeah. So, we're going to be playing with modeling clay. And so, hang on. Let me sit up here. I'm going to grab a butter knife. Okay, so I know my colors are kind of mixed, guys, but you know what? I can't really help it. Yes, so here are my colors. The first color that I'm going to start with is, I'm going to start with this black, and I'm going to do really much anything with it. Oh. Okay guys, so actually we're going to be baking this. So what you're going to need is measuring cup, slide that in. So now we have this in, and we're going to heat, because we're making Play-Doh. And we're going to heat up this flour that I have in my hand. You can't really see it, because my camera won't show up on it. It's like, oops. Okay, so is out, guys. And okay, so let me get the colors. So guys, I have the colors. I will give you a sneak. Right? Right? There we go. Ready? There they are. Okay, guys, so I wish you could feel this. Oh my God, guys. This is literally so soft. Like, seriously, this is, like, look, I can squeeze this. I can honestly do anything with this. Okay, so we have that color. And we have that color. That color's not really squishy. Then we have blue. My friend's favorite color. Okay, so yeah, guys. And then we have this purpley color, and oh my God, the worst one of all